Hello. This video is going to be kind of just covering the best way to get the drawing styles the way you want them. So you can see here, I've just edited these a little bit. So I figured, you can see here, this is a spelling mistake. So I've already gone in and fixed this. So you can see that's the front one. 330 seconds is my one. The top one is this one. And you can see I have fixed it, so I just need to use it. Just make sure it's the same scale before you use it. And you can see that has edited that prop back correctly. So you can see I have just added the plate above here. You could put also base plate up there if you want. This one here is the grout. So if you want to go back to the model, we can just see that. Just check your model roll is correct, and you can see that the model roll is grout, which is fine. So what we want to do is go back to that drawing. And this is the best way to do your drawing styles, because you're doing it kind of on the fly as you go. And you'll end up with what you kind of want most of the time. So we can see this is not ideal. We don't want that. So what we want to do is go back in. And as you can see over here on my other one, I already have a grout label created. So basically I have covered this in another video. So come in here, go into your object presentation, and you want to go to plates. So you'll go here and you'll copy this and you'll create a new one. So what I'm going to do is copy this, and now when it's something like grout, I'm just going to go in here. Now I have created this. You'll have to create this yourself. Just create a new one. By creating a new one, I mean you'll just come in here and create a new one here, as in click on this button here. But I have already created a grout one. So if I come up here and go to the section with model rolls and go to grout, this is probably an unfortunate example. It's just something that I hadn't updated. You can see I have plates that have the model roll grout. Apply, and then come back to my object presentation. I can see it's got the wrong label. So first I'm going to shoot it up through. I'll just put it below the cladding, just so it's used before the plate ones down here. And then I'll go back into it here, and I'll go back in here, and I have a grout label already created from my other videos. You should know how to create these. It should be in the section with others. I don't, it must be a plate, sorry. There it is, grout, sorry. And you can see this is just text here, and this is the thickness. Now you could change this to a user attribute if you wanted to, and then put that in your plate. So I'm just going to apply it. Let's see. I just want to make sure this is 330 seconds. Okay, apply, use. And once you haven't changed this manually, it should update. And now we have 1 inch non-shrink grout label. So that saves us having to put that in. So, everything else is okay. We have the grout, we have the plate, and we have the bottom of the plate. We have the anchors, which unfortunately we can't really put on different lines unless we use the user attribute, so that's fine. But that's kind of how I do it on the fly, just change things. No, it's worth going in and doing it when you see it, because you'll think I'll just change it manually, it'll be a little bit quicker. It's only slightly quicker to change it manually, and then the next time you have to do it again. So just spend a little time to go in and fix it the way you want it when you notice it, and then you're good. And then at the end of the day, just save your USA folder and back it up, and then you'll be good to go if you lose it. Alright, hope that helps. Thank you. Bye.